Hello friends, this is Ishwar here, and in this video let us see the unboxing of the MI 2-in-1 USB cable and the MI Quick Charge 3.0 supported adapter. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, let us pick this MI adapter which supports Quick Charge 3.0, and let us see the back of this box. Here is it. If you want to read this, just pause the video and then read it. The quality of this box is very good, and let us just open this up. And here is it, MI adapter which supports Quick Charge 3.0, and here's the port where we insert our data cable, and here's the specifications of it. As you can see, it supports Quick Charge 3.0, and if you want to read this, just pause the video. So let's just keep that aside and let us take the MI 2-in-1 USB cable. So this comes with the USB cable with USB type A and type C, both in a single data cable, so we can easily use it for traveling. And let us just open it. This feels very premium in hand, and the white color is also very good. And as you can see, this is the USB type C, and when we take this out, this is the regular USB which we use for all the other phones. And this cable comes with the durability fits, which helps us to use our cable without tearing this part out. And let me show speeds of this MI adapter. And as you can see, this is the place where I used the normal charger, and this is the place where I used my fast charger. So it helped pretty much good, and the fast charging was very much noticeable on this Redmi Note 3, and the ampere rating was about 2150 milliamps. So that was pretty much great and better than the normal charger which we get supplied with our phones. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to share this video to your friends, hit the share button. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.